Hello my YouTube friends. Today I present a video of the day full of love to my friends. On this day we will tell each other about other loves and how much we loved them. In this video I have showing a lot of beautiful gifts made by Crochet. I have showing many beautiful gifts and flower made by Crochet in my video. Will every day should be full of love, but this is the special day. There will tell other loved ones who much we love them, to express our feelings, to present them with gifts of flowers and do something special for them, or do something special gifts for him. I have presented many ideas made by Crochet in this video. What you all will like. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you very much.